Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Inn of Secrets. So today's tarot reading is basically for those people who have come out of the breakup phase and they're ready for reconciliation with the ex, or are ready to gel up with new people who are entering into their life, right? So the card is going to give us a guidance and tell us more about your past relationship as well as the new person whoever is going to enter into your life. So before I start the reading, I would like to say a certain thing, like whoever has healed, or maybe they have just undergone a breakup and they want to get connected to some other person just to forget someone else. I think that should never be done, because we all know that when we leave someone and we jump into someone, some other person, I think basically we won't be able to do like justice to the other person, because somewhere we try to search that our ex into the new person, right? Because each and every one has got a certain qualities in them, so maybe that will be a little bit of injustice for the other person. So let's heal and come out of the breakup phase, like start all over again. I know, like, many people whoever have undergone a breakup, they must have gone through a very bad phase, but there are many people who are strong enough to heal themselves. But those people who are not strong enough, they can take a help of a healer, go for a healing, go for a meditation. So do things that makes you happy instead of sitting and crying. Yes, of course, crying is a part of healing your wound. So it's okay, you just have to give yourself a certain time to heal back, right? So let's see now who wants to come back into your life, whether it's your ex or it's your new person who's going to entering into your life. So please close your eyes and remember all those people who wants to reconcile with the ex. Please close your eyes, remember him, and remember all those good days that you had, you two were together during this good part of your life, and now during this separation, you people have understood the value of each other. So those people wants the ex to come back, and those people who wants someone new, you're ending your like previous relationship and you want to look forward and want someone better person in your life, you can just take a god's name and see the reading, right? So let's start the reading. So we are going to see both the energies, that is your ex's energies as well as your new person's energy. If anyone is going to enter into your life, or if your ex is going to come back, like how are they going to come back? Are they going to come back with the same attitude in your life, or are they going to be a completely changed person and enter into your life? So we are just going to see, right? So let's see. We're going to flip over the cards and see. I just want to get a... Okay. I don't want to take any reverse card. So fine. Great. Okay. That's nice. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Fine. That's really nice. So I would like to take one more card here. So basically this first reading I'm telling you is about the ex, okay, whoever you were in a relationship. For those people, see, for you people, what happened is the sector of people who wants the ex to come back. Let me go a little bit what has happened in your life. See, when you were into a relationship or like with your ex, you people never had a very peaceful relationship, right? Every now and then you people used to pick up fights in small things, even if it's a very good discussion. Basically what I can see is, like the other party, your ex was more into, like a little bit of ego, okay? So they never used to bend down if any mistakes they used to do. They never used to come forward to say sorry. So it was always you who are taking initiative till now, right? But now you see, since you have changed into a beautiful person, right? So this breakup, whoever has got a breakup, they have healed and they have changed themselves into such a beautiful person. Like they have come out of that, all those phases where they were sad, they were emotionally down. So now you have uh, become a very confident, beautiful person, very focused in your career. Now your focus is more on the like work expansion of your life, where you want to make a lot of money. Many of the relationship has, just because there were crisis of finance, you people have broke up, you know, that has brought a lot of misunderstanding. So I can see, like, because you don't want to have any more such kind of problem in your life, so you basically want to focus more and earn a good amount of money, be very stable in life. And yes, you know, like, your past relationship was a stuck up phase where you felt very very suffocated at a certain point, right? The suffocation was very 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 bad. And finally, when you took a decision to come out of this relationship, you know, like, universe has sent you a good blessing. And finally, you know, you right now, you're a very stable person who's earning a good amount of money, you know, like, you are in a Queen of Pentacles position where you're very focused on your finance, and you're growing in your work field, you're growing on your finance, you know. So a lot of people have eye on you, plus the universe is giving you a lot of blessing. But at the same time, you know, even though you're earning a lot of money, you are progressing in your life, you have been able to heal yourself, but somewhere you're still waiting for that special emotional person who should come into your life, right? You're anxiously waiting for that person to enter into your life, because your past relationship was a person who was not at all serious, you know, like, was in a fool's energy. Energy is a person, you know, normally they are not at all serious. But at the same time, you know, what I can see is, like, the person who was in a very, like, fun and florid places, that person after this breakup has also changed, him or her. So, like, yes, they do want to come back to you, but you know, right now when they're comparing themselves with you, they can see that you're a very very stable person with a good finance background, so they want to come to your level, okay? Because until and unless they're not getting into the level of you, they are not going to come down, because they are in a crossroad thinking, like, you know, whether to go or whether not to grow. So for those people who are waiting for the ex to come down, it's going to take a little bit of more time, because I think this person has really learned a lesson out of this breakup, and they are going to come back to your life, but after gaining a good financial success. They want to be very very stable, because I think most of your relationship, you know, most of the people's relationship has broken down only because of the finance issues. Somewhere, you know, like, the breakup has happened due to the money involvement. So now your partner really wants to be very stable with the finance, since they're seeing you growing up, you know, to that level. So yes, your ex is going to come back, but it's going to be after, after 4 or 5 months, after they have a stability. They want to have a very stable life, you know, no more fightings regarding the money matter. They want to be very to the level of yours, so that you people should respect each other, okay? So they are going to come back, but it's going to take a much of time. Yes, so now we're going to talk about those people who are waiting for a new person to enter into your life. Yes, there is a person who's going to very soon enter into your life, but this is going to be, you're going to meet this person in a travel. If you're a person who are into such a job where you're into marketing and all, where you need to travel a lot, you're going to meet this person not in your hometown. He's going to be out of your hometown, but a very, you know, it's a King of Pentacles, is a person who is very financially stable, very well reputed person. I mean, not very young, it's going to be a middle age, but yes, very stable. So this person is going to enter into your life, and when this person enters into your life, you're going to see a lot of growth, okay? Lot of growth. See, you are waiting for someone, right? So many offers you have got, and due to this breakup, you had put yourself into a hangman position. Yes, again the travel is coming. So this person, whoever, a new person who's going to enter into your life, is going to be very stable, and they are also into somewhat a similar profession like you, who needs to travel a lot. Maybe this person, you can also meet this person in your workplace or any new job that you're going to join. But this person is very very mature, very stable. They will be able to handle you uh, very well, you know, not like your ex who was very immature, but they're going to handle you very well. So this person, whoever is waiting for a new connection to happen, exactly from now, see, for 6 months in a span, this person is going to enter into your life. Maybe first is not going to start up just straight away, they're not going to come and propose you. It's going to start with a friendship, and then later on it's going to turn into a beautiful relationship, right? So I can see that you people have really taking good care of yourself, because you know, no one will, you know, those your friends and family who have seen you during your breakup phase, and what they're seeing you right now is totally different person, and they're very happy. You know, you people, like whoever has come out of this breakup phase are very very lucky people, that because they have got lot of support of friends and families. And I'm sure you're going to do pretty well in your life, because yes, stability, you are growing up like anything in your finance. There's a new beginning in your card, right? There's a lot of new beginning, lot of new job opportunities. But for this message is for those people who wants the ex to come back into their life. So be a little bit careful whenever your ex is going to come back, because they're going to come, some of the people are going to come back into the devil energy. That's a very controlling energy. But if you see that, you know, this person, your ex, is not changing themselves and they're coming with the same thinking to control you, then I think it will be better that if you cut it off and, you know, like search for someone better person in your life, right? I know it's very difficult, because some people have been in relationship for more than 6 to 7 years still now, because like you were so deeply in love. You know, it is very difficult for you to come out of this relationship, even though you're having a breakup, but somewhere you still have that cord connection. So for those people who thinks that their partner has not changed and still they want to come back and control you people, for them my suggestion is that either you go for a cord cutting where you can move out of the relationship and, you know, like start your life afresh, you know, ready to accept new people in your life. Because when you have these kind of connections, you know, there's always a blockage, because this person always will have a controlling nature on you. So this message is especially coming for those people who wants the ex to come back. It's fine if the ex has learned a lesson and they have improved, they have come from this controlling energy, from this, you know, immature energy to a mature person, more financially stable, more loving, more you know, like first thing is more trustable. Okay, so if this person comes with a change, and well and fine, your relationship is going to move forward, you people are going to have a happy ending. But if you see that there are no changes in this person, basically I would like to say that go for a cord cutting, because cord cutting always helps people to move out of unnecessary relationship that becomes a, you know, burden for them. Okay, cord cutting is not just always separation of people. Sometimes when we do the cord cutting, there are also chances that, you know, the other person can change sometimes, but your life to take decision in your life becomes very very easy, right? So definitely, you know, it's not always about a one person, it's about both the person. So if you're comfortable, if you feel yes, my ex has changed, you can definitely accept them back into your life, right? Because what I can see is like your ex did have a very you did have a very hard time with him or her, but this breakup had given you a peace of mind, right? So you got enough time to think about yourself. So you were more focused, even though you were broken from inside, you were more focused with your finance, and definitely you have grown also, I can see, with a lot of financial stuffs. And universe has given you a good blessing, your friends and family have stood beside you. But yes, the only thing that is missing in your life is the love, you know, a person. You really need a person who will take care of you, right? It's not just about the financial, but it's also about the emotional. So you are standing waiting very anxiously with a cup full of emotions and love. But yes, the entrance, I mean, you're, even if you know you have taken a breakup from your ex is going to come back, but at the same time you have to see whether the changes are there in them or not. If not, cut them off, go for a cord cutting, cut them off. Or if you can do it on your own, just shut the chapter off and just wait for the new person, because the new person who's going to enter into your life is going to be a very very mature person, a very stable, who's going to give you respect, love, you know, all like foresight is going to be filled up with love. You know, that person is going to be financially balanced, is going to be like very hardworking person, very matured, can understand you, will take care of you, right? Anything. Okay, so yeah, the travel card is this. So definitely, as I told you, the new person is whoever is going to is waiting for this new person to enter into your life. You're going to meet this person whenever you travel, or maybe this person is going to travel. So it is not in your hometown, it's going to happen outside your hometown. If anyone has got a job where you are supposed to go somewhere else and, you know, start working there, if your office is in somewhere else, so probably in that zone you are going to meet this person very soon, right? So it's a very beautiful card, I can see. But yes, some people, some sector of people's lovers are really working very hard. The ex people are really really working very hard to get financially stable and come back to you. They are like coming out the ego zone. But some people, they want a relationship with you, but they are not being able to digest to see your progress. So they will always come back into a devil's energy to control you, to have a good control over your life. Okay, so I can see a very beautiful card. If that is going to happen, please don't go for it, because I can see a very, very stuck energy out here. You are going to go back to the same zone which this person has, made you suffer. So let not this happen. If they change, is fine and good. It's always good to forgive people, but it's not at your cost of your happiness. You have to see if they have changed, fine, you can just forgive them and start afresh again. But if you see that the traits are still there, they have not changed, it's better that we cut off this relationship and move forward in life, right? So I hope this guidance is going to help you. So today we are going to take an angel reading. So if anyone wants to have, this is a general reading, right? So if anyone wants to have a personal reading, they can always like email me, where I'll get in touch with you, and then we can have a online card reading, personal reading, right? So this is really nice, very clear card. I'm very happy with the card. I can I'm very happy to see people who have gone under like breakup phase, coming out with such a confident, financially, emotionally, everything. It's very nice, beautiful card. So let's see. I hope everyone believes in angel. We all have a guardian angel, right? So angels always gives us a guidance that we should not overlook. We should always follow a guidance. A gut feeling also, sometimes when we just close our eyes, whichever god or goddesses we believe in, you can just close your eyes and search for the answer. Definitely your gut feeling, your intuitions are never going to guide you wrong. So you're going to see, let's see the angels message for you. What are the angels message for you? How is it going to be for today, for those people who wants a new relationship? Or your next. Okay, so beginning. See, very good card, right? We were talking about a new beginning. Definitely it's a new beginning. If your ex is going to come back after a breakup phase, it's a beginning. So see, life is a series of cycles, and a time of rebirth is indicated for you. This may mean a new phase in a relationship, the germination of fresh idea, or a development of qualities in you like laughter, light, or hope. It may hurdle a total change. So do not be afraid to let go of the families, for the new cannot enter under the old, and out one has departed. So your angel guidance is to accept the new, for it will be welcome when it arrives. Birth is valuable time. So fragile life force needs to be protected and nurtured within you. Ask the angels to guide the new beginning in your life safely to maturity. So definitely see, the angels are also guiding you for the new beginning, right? Because the card what I had seen today was like the new beginning with your ex, or a new person who is going to enter into your life. So definitely the card is telling you that until unless you don't let go of the old heart feelings or the emotions, you are not going to attract back your new relationship. Neither new person can enter into your life, or neither your ex who wants to get forgiveness from you can enter into your life. So you have to start from right from the beginning phase. Okay, so I hope the angel guidance have guided you well, and you have understood the card. If you like my reading, please like and subscribe. And if you want a personal reading, please do send an email to me. It was very nice getting in touch with you. Bye bye, take care, see you soon.